smells of mackerel instead of chocolate cake, and the members of your family cause your corpuscles to quake. Tell them all to lig in dread. When your boss reveals your prospect of a raise is looking bleak, when your boyfriend says your diet plan could use a little tweak, when your neighbor takes your paper every morning for a week, tell them all to lig in dread. Throw your hands up in the air and yell, lig in dread, lig in dread. Instead of tearing out your hair, just tell the world to lig in dread. Let the chorus of this ditty swell, lig in dread, lig in dread. In Yiddish it means go to hell, be well, and lig in dread. When the gal who sits in front of you is over 7 feet, and her fur imparts a mothball odor heightened by the heat, and the usher says forget it when you want to change your seat, tell them both to lig in dread. When your taxi driver jabbers on his cell incessantly as he slams the brakes of rackets like it's wrapped around a tree, and your chiropractor keeps you in the waiting room till 3, they should only lig in dread. Throw your hands up in the air and yell, lig in dread, lig in dread. Instead of tearing out your hair, just tell the world to lig in dread. Let the chorus of this ditty swell, lig in dread, lig in dread. In Yiddish it means go to hell, be well, and lig in dread. Evangelist Republicans, freaks that sell the public guns, quacks that promised high turbans, they should all go lig in dread. Melismatic singers who hurt your ears with what they do, put them on the roster too. Sei gesund und lig in dread. When our political correctness may have gone a bit amiss, and ritual mutilation's what we used to call a bris, powder on your life's begun, so go and find a place to piss. In the snow, right, lig in dread. Throw your hands up in the air and yell, lig in dread, lig in dread. Instead of tearing out your hair, just tell